Welcome to Be Amplified, your spiritual oasis. Here you can rediscover your superpower of simply being. Our curated collection of meditations will take you on a journey back to your natural self, where beauty, wisdom, peace, and joy reside. Join our growing community by subscribing, and then give this video a thumbs up and tell us in the comments how we can best support you moving forward. Thanks for being here, and let's begin today's meditation. Hello, and welcome to this special moving meditation. We often think of meditation as something we do when we're sitting still. But our bodies are designed for movement, and it's often through movement where we can support our energy and our mind in becoming more settled. So you may find after this short movement meditation that you want to sit down and be still for a couple minutes, or you want to lie down and allow yourself to be still so that you can rest deeply. Because after we do a little bit of movement, you may find your energy has quieted. And so sitting still feels actually more natural at that point. So for this practice, you need a little bit of space, and we're going to begin standing. And as you come to stand, let your feet be about hip width apart, and let your knees gently bend. Imagining your knee joints being filled with water and allowing just a micro bend in those joints. You may prefer to keep your eyes open for balance, but if it's easy for you to shut your eyes down, and you still feel steady and stable, go ahead and do so. Take a nice deep breath in and sigh it out through an open mouth. Do that twice more, just breathing in deeply, starting to feel the breath expanding your body, and then breathing out through an open mouth, letting your feet come into deeper contact with the floor beneath you. And do that one more time. And this time, as you breathe out, feel your whole body relaxing into the support of your feet and into the support of the floor beneath you. Now, allow your awareness to just gently move through your body, noticing your face, your shoulders. See if you can find any places where you're holding tension or gripping tightly. And just breathe out and let go a little bit more through those areas. Releasing your belly. Again, feeling those knee joints with a soft bend in them. And then once again, just feel your feet and maybe lift your toes for a moment and spread them, and then let them rest back down. Now begin to sway your body easily from side to side. And this movement can be really small, or if you prefer, you can make it really big. Follow your intuition and just shift your weight from side to side. Feel your breath flowing in and out as you sway your body from side to side. Let your weight shift into the right foot and then into the left foot. Let this swaying motion be a little bit like your own unique dance, inviting your body to sway in a way that feels good. As you continue to sway from side to side, notice your arms. Let your arms release fully and allow them to hang loosely at your sides. And invite them to sway with your body. If it feels natural and organic for you to let them rise up in space, feel free to do so. Or maybe they want to stretch out from your shoulders. Whatever feels good in this moment, go with it. But let the arms and the hands be a part of this swaying from side to side. And then check in with your neck and your head and make sure they're coming along for this ride as well. Breathing in fully, filling up your body, and exhaling slowly, releasing tension. Letting your body sway with even more ease and grace. Beautiful. Now let your sway slow down and bring your body back into stillness. And as you do, just take a deep breath in and out and notice how you feel. And then begin to circle out your neck. And again, this can be a very small movement, or this can be a large movement. You can imagine you're drawing a circle on your ceiling with the crown of your head. And just let this movement feel good. Rotating your head around in either direction. And beginning to feel this circular movement ripple through your body. Letting the heart, chest, and rib cage begin to circle. Your belly and low back gently circling. Your hips and pelvis circling. Keeping your knee joints soft and maybe even feeling a circling in the soles of your feet as your weight shifts into the toes, into the outer edges and the inner edges and the heels. Notice your breath again flowing in and out. And be intuitive here. Do you want to circle in the opposite direction? Are you drawn to bring the circles up into your shoulders or into your elbows or into your hands? Maybe your fingers want to circle. Take one more breath as you're exploring these circling movements through your whole body, and slowly begin to come back into stillness. As you do, Again, feel your breath flowing in and out. Notice your feet planted on the floor. And let's ground our energy now. After all of that movement, imagine roots growing down out through the soles of your feet into the earth, anchoring you, helping you connect to this vast support system beneath you. Let your energy be fully grounded. And when that feels complete, take a deep breath in and let your body really be filled up and feel it beginning to expand and blossom and bloom open, almost like a flower would bloom open. Feel yourself anchored and beginning to fully express yourself, express your energy, your vibrancy, your radiance. Notice how big you feel, how tall you're standing. And from this rooted and expanded place, set an intention for yourself and for the rest of your day. Say your intention out loud or silently to yourself. And feel it landing fully in your body and circulating to every cell in your body. Take one last deep breath in. Sigh it out through an open mouth. May you shift into the rest of your day, bringing with you this intuitive awareness of your body and how it wants to dance through life. Thanks for joining us, and have a beautiful rest of your day.